Starting around 25 August 2023, for the most part, SPEL commonly token generally is exchanging at $0.000455537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which generally is very critical. SPEL by and large has a very complete market cap of $48,909,482, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,201,143, or so they explicitly thought. This truly makes truly SPEL commonly token SPEL truly positioning at 370 in the digital currency market in a quite large manner. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the SPEL commonly token cost forecast finish of 2023. What will explicitly SPEL most certainly token basically be truly worth in 2023? Amazingly, is explicitly SPEL sort of token an especially wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of significant manner? Will explicitly SPEL cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking high, which truly is very critical? These in every practical sense are for the most part SPEL really token cost expectations for SPEL's future, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. SPEL sort of token, SPEL value expectation 2023. As per the SPEL commonly token figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SPEL cost in every way that really matters is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.0005681. The normal least value worth of for the most part SPEL sort of token toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to fundamentally be $0.0005495, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, basically SPEL can explicitly arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $0.000592828, which fundamentally is very critical. SPEL kind of token, SPEL value figure August 2023. The SPEL in every way that really matters token, SPEL cost for August 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at any rate worth of $0.0004527.4, while the genuinely greatest gauge cost fundamentally is around $0.0005094 in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. The especially normal cost for especially SPEL sort of is for the most part anticipated to essentially reach $0.000495119 in August 2023, which by and large is very huge. SPEL value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of for the most part SPEL genuinely token is gauged to be at around an especially least worth of $0.000491442, exhibiting how truly is generally SPEL pretty token a very wise speculation, or certainly worth purchasing in 2023, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The SPEL commonly token value worth can by and large arrive at an especially limit of $0.0005291.4, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0.0005150.00 in United States dollars in a for the most part huge manner. SPEL truly token, SPEL value conjecture October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of explicitly SPEL commonly token for the most part is anticipated to basically arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0.000530045, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $0.0005497.4 and a truly least of $0.0005115.8 in a truly significant manner. SPEL exceptionally token, SPEL value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, generally SPEL essentially token cost explicitly is gauged to by and large arrive at an actually the most minimal cost of $0.0005279.49 in an every way that really matters huge way. The SPEL cost could especially arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $0.0005796, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.0005466. showing the way that the spell cost could truly arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0.000570996, with the in every practical sense normal expected cost around $0.000546636 in an unpretentious manner. Spell in every practical sense. Token, spell, value figure December 2023. The spell truly token, spell, cost for December 2023 may in a real sense arrive at an all things considered least worth of $0.000549935, while the kind of most extreme determined cost certainly is around $0.000598828 in an unobtrusive manner. The extremely normal cost for in a real sense spell generally is certainly anticipated to generally reach $0.000568821 in December 2023 in an essentially enormous way. Spell genuinely token past value examination in the in every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto most certainly has been in every practical sense diminished by 0.84% in its truly current worth in an essentially significant manner. Assuming that we in every practical sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, which explicitly shows that besides basically spell can in a real sense arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.000598828, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Spell genuinely token most certainly is confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with in every practical sense other crypto coins in a really significant way. The spell by and large is down to nearly 2.49% in the essentially most recent 7 days, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for in every practical sense, past not very many days. The coin could basically have areas of strength for exceptionally yet. We don't in every practical sense imagine that it would a productive resource in every way that really matters. Present moment further appearance. How in every practical sense. Spell especially token. Spell, value expectation 2023. As per the spell, extremely token conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the spell cost truly is supposed to generally cross a normal value level of $0.000568821, the normal extremely least value worth of in a real sense spell kind of token, toward the finish of the by and large current year, ought to be $0.000549935. Inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 1 month, the cost of truly spell truly diminished by 42.605%, dispensing with an astounding kind of typical amount of $0.000333803 from its all things considered current worth in an unobtrusive way. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be in every practical sense great certainly purchase an open door for fundamentally speedy venture, which basically is very huge. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 38.21%, and the